Hi everyone, and welcome to Teams for Legal. In this video, we'll be talking about the creation process of teams, which can be manually or can be automated. Let me start by saying that creating a team can never be a goal on its own. You have to properly think of the type of teams you would like to use in your organization and how you're going to create them and who will be going to create these teams. Assuming you've done all that, you've defined the type of teams and the information that is provided within these teams and the functionality you would like to activate, and you templated those, you can start creating teams. Starting off with the automatic creation is something we typically see with organizations that have a leading system in place. A leading system can be a practice management system, can be a financial system, a time and billing system, CRM. Basically holds all information about your clients and your matters. Typically, we see that once a new client or a new matter is registered within the leading system, practice management system or such, we typically read that information and we automatically create a new team or a new channel, depending on your architecture that you have chosen, in the Teams environment. Apart from creating a team or a channel, we can also provision a task and assign them to the proper people. This can be useful when you think, for example, of a risk assessment that you need to do on each new client or each new case that you onboard. So you could assign tasks to the proper person. Once this is done, of course, all that information is available within Outlook and within Teams, so the end user can still work within the familiar interfaces. And all information and all documents that they generate along the way in their case are stored in the safe Office 365 environment, providing all the functionality around that, such as search. Once a client or a matter is updated in the leading system, for example, a case is closed or is archived, these adjustments are of course respected and also processed towards your teams inside Office 365. The manual creation of teams is typically something we see with organizations that don't have a leading system. It can be, for example, a corporate legal department. What we do then is we provide create forms, or request forms in this case, to the business users. And the business user would fill in a form saying, I would need assistance from the legal department, providing all the required information and optionally the ability to attach documents to that form. Legal is then informed and they receive a notification saying that somebody requested their assistance. They can complete that case, they can add additional properties to it, and they can approve and start working on these cases. Additionally, if the legal user wants to create their own legal case, they can of course also immediately create their own legal case if somebody logs a request via call or via email, for example. Once that legal request is coming in and it's approved by the legal team, the work is allocated to the proper people within the legal team. So they can start working immediately and their matter team is created and available inside the Teams and Outlook interface. Of course, the legal users, they manage their work, their documents, their information from these interfaces, and all information is stored inside the existing Office 365 environment. Updating these cases and moving along the way and adjusting statuses allows us to do reporting on these cases. So for example, we could see the workload created by each department or the response time of the overall legal department towards these business requests. Thank you for watching. If you would like more information, visit our website, teamsforlegal.com, where you can also subscribe to receive notifications in case of any new videos or any updated information. You can also reach out to us via info@teamsforlegal.com if you would like a personal demonstration.